Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to 4th class social. I am your social teacher from United Public School, Tandoor. So my dear students, in our previous session we will start our third unit from our term book, Life in the Desert. Okay. So in our previous session what we was discuss? Yes, we was discuss what is desert, what is oasis. Yes, oasis means in area in a desert where water is found and plants and trees grow. This place is called oasis. Okay. And next let us start about climate. Let us discuss about the climate. Okay, how the desert climate was. Okay, in summer the days are very hot but the evening are cool. Yes, in the desert what happened? Yes, in the summer season they have very hot days but the nights or evenings are very cool. Okay, this is because sand heats up and cools down fast. Yes, what is the reason behind it? Yes, this is because of the sand heats up and the sand will be cools down very fast. Okay, in winter the days are warm and the nights are very cold. Okay, next let us discuss about wildlife. How is the wildlife is challenging in the desert. Okay, animals such as blackbuck and camels are found in the region. The great Indian bustard and endangered bird is also found in desert. There are many kinds of snakes, lizards and mice too. Yes, in the desert, which animals live there? Yes, blackbuck, camels are found in this region. In the desert we can find the camels are there. Okay, and also the Indian bustard and endangered bird is also found in the desert. Okay, and in the desert there live many kinds of snakes, lizards and mice too. Okay, so this is about wildlife of the in the desert. Okay, life in the region. Let us discuss about the how the life in the region. Okay, rearing sheep and goats is an important occupation in the desert region. So in the desert region what is the main important occupation of the people? Yes, rearing sheep and goat is the important occupation in the desert region. Okay, the owners of these animals often have to move with their herd from one place to place in search of food. Yes, the owner of the animals change their place. They transfer from one place to another place in the search of food. Okay, such people are called nomads. Yes, people who are moving from one place to another in searching of food, these people is called nomads. Okay, they do not have a permanent home. Yes, what happened? Yes, these nomads don't have their own house. Okay, the Banjaras of Rajasthan are one such tribe of nomadic people. Yes, the Banjaras is the people who is the example of nomads. Okay, they don't have a permanent house and they transfer one place to another place by searching of water. Okay, so here you can see on your screen, nomads move with their sheep from one place to another. Yes, they move from one place to another place by searching of food and they don't have a permanent house. Okay, due to the extreme climate and scarcity of water, life in the desert region is not easy. Yes, in the desert what happened? There is no water and a very little rainfall, so it is a very not easy to live in the desert. Okay, people, often women, have to walk long distances to collect water for drinking and household use. Yes, in the desert there is no rainfall or there is a very little rainfall, so this is a very big problem for the women. Okay, because they have to walk long distances to collect water for drinking and household use. Okay, inshallah in our next session we will discuss about the Indira Gandhi Canal. Okay, so my dear students, your today's homework is you have to write life in the region. You have to write how the life in the region. Okay, you have to write the answer of this question. Write neatly and submit in the group. Hope you will understand. Thank you.